My day 12 reading practice. A story, a lark, and her babies. Next, listening practice. SRK interview. Speaking practice. I spoke in front of mirror and topic is same. A story about a lark and her babies. And tomorrow I will post my mirror speaking practice. Next, my writing practice. And I wrote about the same story and I give the titles for my writing practice a farmer and a bird. Next, vocabulary. First, reality. Second, opportunity. Third, attitude. Fourth, belief. Fifth, comfort. And here is sentences making from these words. Next, verb. First, cost. Second, deceive. Third, drag. Fourth, courage. Fifth, float. And you can see all form of these verbs on the screen. Next, I practice about has to, have to. In past, had to. Has to, have to. We use when जब कोई कार्य करना है. For example, मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to study. And here are some examples and also some practice sentences. Now, had to. When हमें कोई काम करना पड़ता था. For example, I had to cook food. We had to go to school. And here are more sentences. Next, in future we use will have to. जब हमें कोई काम करना पड़ेगा. For example, you will have to learn English. I will have to buy gold. He will have to read. And here are another examples. Last one is homework practice. And as you know, I picked 60 sentences in Hindi and translate them into English. If this video is helpful for you, join me in this challenge. See you soon.